Hey, want to build your own membership site without duct taping together 5 different platforms, watching 47 tutorials, or feeling completely overwhelmed? Good, because with Noomu, you can build it way easier than most people think in just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Sign up to Noomu. Then choose a website template. After that, go to Community, Circles, Add Circle. Then choose a template for your designated membership group. That instantly gives you the structure for your membership community. No starting from a blank page. No tech chaos. Just pick a design and start building. Step 2. Create your member group. Go to Contacts and then click on Add a Group. For example, free members, VIP members, coaching clients, or premium community. This controls who gets access to what inside your membership. Simple. Step 3. Create your membership product. Go to Store, Products, Add Product. Then choose Membership Product. Fill out the product information. Then, inside the Member Group section, select the member group you created in Step 2. This connects the product to the correct membership access level. Save the product. Step 4. Now go back to Community, Circles. Click on the membership circle you created. Then go to Circle Settings. Scroll down to Access Level. Then choose Members of a Group. After that, select the member group you created earlier. Then click Confirm. That way, when someone purchases your membership, Noomu automatically gives them access to the correct content and community. No manual setup, no complicated integrations. Everything works together automatically. Step 5. Now fill in your website template and your community with your actual membership content. Add things like videos, courses, downloads, posts, resources, and community discussions. And you can also drip feed content over time or make certain content available on a specific launch date, whatever your membership includes. And that's it. You now have a website, a membership area, a community, member access controls, payments, and everything connected together, all inside Noomu. No duct tape, no confusing setup. Just a simpler way to build your membership business. Start your free 14-day trial today at Noomu.com.